Ready? Okay, so this is Tango. We start with a combination 4 steps. We start basic step. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. We do an open box, quick, quick, slow, close your feet at the end. We start by doing curved walks into progressive rocks. Slow, slow, rock, set, step, rock, set, step, tango, close. We finish this off right now with an open box followed by a lady's hook and a swivel. We do quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 tango, close, and we are done. Ready, connected?